Even though the miles stretch wide, distance fades in Guadalajara.
Hello, what's up guys, welcome back again to our channel. This is your friend Tenta channel, and today we are going to have fun. As you have here $5, this is $5, and we are going to do a challenge of this $5. We're going to do a challenge of this $5 and see what we can get on this $5. Yeah, this is 5,000 shillings, this is 10,000 shillings, this is 2, and this is 1,000 shillings. All this makes $5, and we're going to try this together. Come with me. Hello. How much is boiled cassava? Also need some sugar inside. Yeah, just 2 spoons are enough. Two. Yeah, that's enough. Yeah, this porridge, it's a black porridge. It also has milk inside. It's mixed with milk, and we are going to try it here with boiled cassava. Yeah, we have our mama here selling muogo, and she's giving us muogo today. Yeah, muogo ya rukumi. Yeah, muogo deep fried. Hey. Deep fried muogo, cassava.
For 1,000 only?
Yeah.
Oh, I make for 2 kids.
Only one, so you have for all prices.
Yeah, I have a VIP of 2 kids.
VIP.
Hey, this is 1,000 now.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. How much? 4-1K. Yeah. Give me 4. Yeah. They're having here a lot of fruits. As you see, this is mango and light. Yeah, and this is apples. So much. This is potatoes, as you see. This is my balance. Do you have a knife? That I want to cut it. Oh my God, we still have too much money. In Uganda, this is too much money we still have here. And just 14,000 shillings, and we are going to try what we are going to get on this remaining money. It's too much. In Uganda, this is too much, man. Don't joke. Okay, come and you see. Right now, I'm going to get some plantain, roasted plantain. This one is off. Yeah, I'm going to get some roasted plantain here. How much?
3 for 2,000.
2,000. Give me 3. Yeah, this is 2,000. I've just got my 3 pieces of plantain. Yeah,
Thank you.
you're welcome. As you see, we are remaining here with our 15,000 shillings. And this 15,000 shillings, we are going to see what we are going to get on this remaining balance of ours. Watch this. 1,000. Yeah, this is roasted maize, and we are going to try also some roasted maize. As you see how it is. This is street fish. Yeah, how much is this?
Kasam.
6,000.
7.
Kasam is 7,000. Yeah, that is Kasam, 7,000 shillings. Yeah, we're going to try this is fish, deep fried. Yeah. Come up to your light. Yeah, we're having here one for 7,000 Ugandan shillings. We are going to try this here together, and we also want some mamba for
Katomuyongera mwemu.
yeah, and this is our fish. We are going to try it here. Right here, we are going to try it. It's very deep fried. You see, it's a deep fried fish, and we are going to try it from here. Okay, it's just soft, and as you see inside here, it's very white. Wow, this is nice. What's the name? What's the name? Mamba. Yeah, it's called mamba. Yeah, I think it's some fish, pieces of fish, and we are going to try mamba together. Yeah, this is mamba. It's fish inside. Inside is something, I don't know it's made with what, but it's very soft and very nice. So you are trying it here, right here. Wow, it's too amazing. I got this only 500. 500 is 1,000. I just got this. Yeah. This is our 2,000 you are remaining with. We are going to try something. We finish with our $5 challenge today. Okay, give me 2,000. some cabbage. This is cabbage. This is dodo, and this is green bananas, matoke, and some beans inside. Yeah, it's a food you can have. It's the cheapest food in Uganda and very nice and healthy because it has no cooking oil. As you see, it has no cooking oil. It's very healthy. Yeah, the food is just nice and tasty. Avocado. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah, the bro is asking if I can put some avocado, but I'm okay with it. I'm okay with the way it is. It's very nice. Thanks so much guys for watching. It's been Tenta channel with you. Thanks for supporting this channel. Thanks for being with me. It's been a $5 challenge. As you see, this is Katete Street and we have been having $5 challenge. Thanks so much. Imagine you can get all this on only $5. All this in Uganda. Only you can get this. Only in Uganda. Only in Uganda.